na kila safari nzuri zinaanza na one step. Hii ya kuunganisha wa Kenya imeanza na that one step of dialogue. And we also said that we no longer want political contestations to become a catalyst for animosity or hatred amongst Kenyans. And that is why I'm proud that today I can stand in Rongo and speak to fellow Kenyans as fellow Kenyans. That I can look at Raila Odinga today and respect him as a leader in Kenya and know he has a value and a place in our politics, whether in government or out of government. And even when he's out of government, he has a duty to make sure that the government in place is kept on its toes to deliver on the mandate that it went out and sold to the people of Kenya. Sio ndio Kenya mpya tunataka? That we don't use our politics as a catalyst for animosity or hatred or ethnic divisions, but we use our various political ideologies and positions as an avenue to bring together our different ideologies, be they political, be they religious. We bring them together for the sake and benefit of all the people of Kenya.
However, the outcome of the National Dialogue Committee on the issues that were put there are not any different. They are not any different, not even a comma, from what was presented in the memorandum when we got into Parliament from the President. So it means some people see it ahead, others take time to see it.